Rain and snow can harm your home in a number of ways, especially if you have an overhang like this that allows water to drip down and splash back against the doorway. Now, it'll cause mold and mildew like you see here, but even worse, water seeps under the door frame and can damage areas just like we had here. Now, we've already repaired it, not by replacing all of the damaged pieces, but replacing some and repairing the others with a special exterior wood putty. The first thing we did is to remove the brick mold. I start removing the brick mold by first cutting the caulking with a razor knife, then prying it off the frame with a flat bar. Now, for its replacement, I used a vinyl brick mold that's resistant to any type of water damage. I pre-drilled all of the holes for the nails, then used a galvanized finish nail to secure the new molding to the frame. Then I cleaned out all of the damaged area and installed a piece of folded wire mesh using several long screws. Now it was time for the special wood putty I'd mentioned. Now, this is a two-part system that requires thorough mixing of the putty and the cream hardener that comes with this particular type of putty. Now, I used a putty knife to apply the mixture and worked it until it was nice and smooth. A little sanding and it was ready to paint. Now, it's a good idea to let the repair dry overnight, then apply one coat of primer and 2 coats of finish paint. That way it'll really seal out all of the elements.